Washington won a playoff game right here in this building. How big is this moment?
I mean, it means a lot, man. You get to see all the fans over here, man. They're waiting for us. They waited a long time for this moment and this feeling, so I'm just so happy for them.
Yeah, and you are a rookie quarterback. You come here on the road, your first playoff start, so calm, so poised. How?
Man, trust in the Lord, God. There's nothing I should worry about, man. Put all my worries on Him. And,